Hey, Ken Eagle here with Hall Technologies. We're at ISE 2022 in Barcelona, Spain, and I want to show you some of the things that we're introducing here at the show. First up is our Apollo Technology Room Kit. Your schools will love this, as will your corporate offices for their training environments and for their simple to use meeting spaces and boardrooms. This is a kit with 3 pieces, everything you need, all paired right inside of the one box. You're going to get the receiver. The receiver comes with an amplifier built in that's going to drive your audio with 8 ohm speakers or 70 volt. You got microphone input, mute input, so you can add paging into this system. You've got LAN connectivity, a loop out for a local IP control, local HDMI in here at the receiver, a 3-port USB hub built into that. And you've got an HD-Base-T output that connects to the transmitter, which is a wall plate. That wall plate would be located near your presenter, where they can plug in into any one of 3 HDMI inputs, audio input, and then there is a USB host port there as well. So from the presenter's computer or laptop, they can access those USB devices that are connected to the hub. And even a toggle switch here to quickly and easily change through all the different inputs in the room. And best of all, this system includes the control with it. You've got this control keypad right here. This will allow the instructor to simply control volume in the room, turn the room on or off when they enter or leave, and simply switch sources by clicking on one of the 4 buttons right here. So this technology room kit includes a simple to use IP web GUI interface, and in addition to that, we have an external software that your room facility manager or your IT manager will install on their computer, which will allow them to scan the network, find all of the different rooms that are within the building, categorize them by a hierarchical structure, and then be able to push out updates to those rooms, schedule how they turn on or off, how the different inputs interact and are used, and even can be a great tool for troubleshooting. So that's the Apollo Technology Room Kit. All the features are included in that. And don't forget, when you're ordering these from Hall Technology, we offer in-ceiling and on-wall speakers that go directly with this system. We offer cabling that goes with it. And as you can see right here beside me, we've also at the show released a brand new EPTZ camera. This works great with the Apollo Room Kit. This is a 4K auto framing camera with dual microphone inputs on that. And not only can you use that with the Apollo Room Kit, but it works great for personal computing, for personal soft codec solutions, and huddle spaces, conference rooms, and so much more. So to learn more about these products and all the other great features and products at Hall Technologies, visit us online at halltechav.com.